is it?
This must be old. It must be old things.
It's old things, yes. These
Yeah.
are plaques.
So, yeah.
Well, let's carry on. Come on, Lennox.
Good boy.
What was a happy little Sophie?
He just turned me, and she said, okay.
Yep. Let's
Come on,
press
Sophie.
on.
Come on. This way.
Come on, Sophie.
Oh, it's a bridge.
Look at Bear watching out for the boys.
Oh no, what happened?
I tripped.
Are you all right? You broke your what? You okay? What happened?
I tripped and broke my knee.
You broke your knee?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you broke it? You're still walking though?
But I wanted to run on the bridge.
Yeah, and then you fell.
Yeah.
Oh, I know it happens. I know. It hurts, but do you think you'll be okay to keep walking?
No, I want to run.
Okay, you can run.
Yeah, I can't run.
Oh, well, your knee's broken. Yeah, you can't expect too much.
I wanted
Do you
to
wanna
make
hobble?
me feel better.
Make you feel better? How do I make you feel better, honey?
How about you give me a little pet?
A little pet? Which knee is it? Is it this one?
Yeah, it's both of them.
Oh, you broke both knees. That's tough. Yeah. Are they okay now?
Yeah. Maybe we'll stay here to let them heal.
Okay. Sure. We'll stay a while.
But we're still one.
Yeah, might get a double knee injury.
I did run.
You did, and you didn't hurt your knees either, Mason.
Shall we keep going?
Let's see if I can do it.
Oh, they've healed. Magic. Mommy's magic touch.
Oh,
Hi, you guys taking a break?
yeah, we are. Mommy, can I see?
Come over here and see
Okay.
Finian in the
Whoa. My, look, the trees are standing still. Look, they're not moving.
because it's not windy.
Yeah, it's not moving. Let's keep walking.
Okay. Good job.
Where's Finian?
Oh, I'm gonna go catch him.
Finian.
He's hiding somewhere. Go find him. Go find where he's hiding.
Mom, with my hand.
Come back to mommy. Lennox, come back. Oh. What are you guys doing?
Down here.
Yeah,
Mommy, we're waiting for you down here.
good, thank you.
Mommy, we're waiting down here for you.
And for Dad.
We didn't go too far to the end.
Appreciate it.
We just waited here for Dad, so we could see him.
It is a stream.
Mommy, look, it's the tree. Whoa! What? Mommy, look, it's the tree.
Ooh.
Oh, water.
Oh. Yep, now you're wet. That's what happens when you splash. Yes, my fair weather child. You got a little wet. You're probably still okay. What happened? Did your hands get wet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh dear. Lennox's feet are going to be very wet because those are not waterproof boots. Yes.
Sophie,
These are waterproof.
Yeah.
now.
Oh, he's muddy too. Oh, good. Oh, good. Yeah, you're going to be wet and muddy. That's the perfect decision.
My shoes are clean.
They're clean, but your pants are dirty. Wowzers. Oh, wow.
So like wait just now when you guys were a leash on a leash,
Oh, it's great. Now you're trapped in the mud.
and then when we crossed the road, she was on a leash. And then for that entire
Are you stuck in the mud?
yeah.
Okay.
How long was the story? Okay.
Oh my God, Finian. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look how muddy you are.
I like being muddy.
I don't like you being muddy. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, Cindy.
And this man with 2 sticks. Hey Lennox, what you got there?
I
Yeah, you do.
Finian, come back, please. Finian, come back, please. Come here.
What's that?
Down there.
You were what?
They said they went in some mud and they got stuck.
And that's what you want to do now?
Yeah, they said there's some mud down there.
And that sounds particularly fun?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it does. Look at your jacket.
What's
Oh, and Finian. So covered in mud. More mud. Oh, goody. God, I love that he actually tries to get himself stuck in the mud. Yeah.
Yow. Yow.
What is it about boys and mud? What is so amazing about mud? Meanwhile, Lennox is almost swimming. No, he does not.
I'm covered of mud.
Yep.
Covered of mud. It's stuck out. Yeah. No, you need to go for that one.
A muddy car wash, you said?
With this spinning water. That doesn't go up to your face.
Ooh.
Let's go to the muddy car wash. First it's gonna get you some more mud.
Oh, my muddy buddies.
Ninju.
Meanwhile, Sophie's not sure about this mud. She's not too impressed about the mud. Neither is Bear. He wants nothing to do with the mud. Or Daddy, in his very much not hiking shoes. Yeah. Nothing to do with the mud. Did you just say, please wash me off? Oh, that's not washing. No. No. Lennox, oh, you got mud on your face too. Are you licking off mud?
No,
Lennox, look at mommy. Look at this kid. Show me your hands, Lennox.
Wash your boots.
Oh, yeah, you're so muddy.
Hands. Wash your boots.
That's the least of his problem. No, it's okay. Don't.
Wash your boots. Wash your boots. Clean up.
Okay, all clean. Are you ready to go in the car?
We want the way.
I think we might be ready to go in the car.
Car wash.
Car wash, yeah.
I'm gonna go to South Car Wash.
Oh.
Can we go to South Car Wash?
Can we get in the car first?
Okay, let's go. We're all done.
Okay.
Mommy, it's very cool doors going swimming down there. Come on, Mommy.
Yeah.
That looks cool, right, Mommy?